Welcome to my show. I'm Dhritiyatri, and here are the biggest stories that are making headlines across the globe today. So, let's start with it. Iran's protests explode. Streets across Tehran and major cities are filled with anger and unrest. What started as protests against the regime is now turning into nationwide turmoil. Well, Iran's leadership warns foreign hands are fueling the chaos here. The world is watching as Tehran struggles to control the streets. Blame shifts to Israel now. Iran openly accuses Israel of supporting the protests here. Officials claim that foreign money, weapons, and planning are involved here. Tehran says Israel has admitted to aiding the rioters. Well, this marks a dangerous escalation in the regional tension. US under fire. Iran's warning is aimed directly at Washington. Any foreign interference, Tehran says, will be met with retaliation. The US is forced to navigate carefully to avoid escalation here. Every word is now scrutinized as a potential trigger. Proxy war in action. Protests are now seen as tools in geopolitical maneuvering. Streets replace soldiers, crowds replace tankers, chaos replaces bombs here. Iran frames crackdown as national defense. Every moment could justify military action. Information war rages. Claims, counterclaims, and leaks dominate the headlines here. Truth is becoming the first casualty of this crisis. Narratives, well, they are weaponized to influence the domestic and foreign perception. The Middle East is locked in a psychological battlefield. Israel flipped the script again. Israel has accused Iran of funding militia for decades. Now Iran returns to the accusation with streets and protests. Same strategy, new players, and a volatile outcome. Well, regional alliances are being tested like never before. Tehran's red line. Iran's leadership declares foreign interference unacceptable. Warnings are direct and without any diplomatic cushioning here. Any escalation will be met with immediate action and not words. This public stance, it raises the stakes for Washington. Putin steps in. Russia acts as a back channel between Israel and Iran. Reports suggest secret talks sought to prevent the direct confrontation here. A fragile understanding exists, but chaos soon overtook it. Moscow's role highlights the high-stakes diplomacy behind the scenes. Trump's warning here. Donald Trump publicly escalates his rhetoric against Iran. He hints at possible US intervention to contain Iran's unrest. America's presence in this crisis adds a volatile layer. Tensions rise as Washington signals readiness to act. Saudi Arabia steps back. Riyadh refuses to support regime change plan in Iran. The future of Iran, they insist, belong to Iranians alone. Well, this whole measured stance undercuts Washington's ambition here. It sends a clear message of restraint to the entire region. Airspace goes silent. Iran's skies become empty amid the tension here. Commercial flights stop, leaving two selected planes in the air. While this quiet indicates high alert and potential hidden moment, silence in the skies signals strategic preparation and not any routine. China's quiet flights. That's right, two Mahan air jets from southern China land in Tehran. No other commercial planes are allowed, raising the alarm here. The flight suggests coordination amid the rising regional tension. Beijing's role, it sends a subtle warning to Washington here. NATO watches closely. That's right. American and allied forces, they monitor the escalating situation here. Troops reposition, bases adjust posture for potential strikes. Evacuation adversaries indicate serious concern here. Military and diplomatic timelines are racing against each other. Hezbollah's threat. Iran's ally Hezbollah refuses guarantees against the involvement here. Now this adds another layer of risk if the US strikes occur. Border could become meaningless as escalation spread. Here, one misstep could ignite a nationwide war again. United States strike plan ready. Washington reportedly prepares a precise strike on Iran. Targets include IRGC command centers and strategic hubs. Every action is calculated to demonstrate dominance here. The countdown for a potential confrontation has just begun. Iran retaliates. Tehran conducts a live fire drill and military movement. Exercises are close to the US position, signaling readiness here. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, he prepares a broader response against the US allies. Domestic unrest, it fuels Washington's willingness to escalate. Gulf states brace. Allies in Qatar and surrounding region also adjust security posture. Facilities tighten, troops' movement are altered, and exposure reduced. Civilian evacuation signals real danger here. Every Gulf state prepares for the ripple effects of the strike. Global markets nervous. Trade, shipping, and energy routes all are affected. Airlines and shipping companies are preparing for the disruption here. Rising oil prices are a looming threat if the tension escalates here. Well, the world watches as economic fallout becomes a real possibility here. Red Sea crisis hits Israel. Houthi attack cripple Iliad, Israel's strategic port. Annual revenue of $74 million have dropped to almost zero. Global shipping and trade, they are disrupted, amplifying Israel's vulnerability here. This economic pressure, it intersects with looming military tension. United States warns allies. Travel warnings are issued for Israel and neighboring region. NATO partners signals evacuation and caution protocols as well. Well, this is like a prelude to operational, not hypothetical threats. The world is alerted to potential rapid escalation. Airlines respond. European carriers adjust operation in Israel and the Middle East. Flights are cancelled and staff prepare for any emergency evacuation. Well, airspace restriction reflects the seriousness of this whole situation here. Every flight delay tells a story of geopolitical tension. Venezuela's lesson. Russia lost influence in Venezuela despite decades of investment. Moscow's failures show the limit of power without any enforcement here. Allies across the world are taking notes of a strategic credibility. In fact, lessons from Caracas echoes in Iran, the Middle East, and beyond. Marinera tanker drama. A mysterious Russian flag tanker evades US monitoring before the interception. Well, the operation underscores Washington's ability to enforce global rules here. Ships, flags, and energy control become a non-bomb battlefield. Sanctions, logistic, and enforcement take center stage now. Israel's strategic strain here. Netanyahu balances economic collapse at Iliad with military plans against Iran. Missiles, bases, and strategies intersect with disrupted trade here. Israel faces internal economic pain while preparing for the external conflict as well. Well, the timing makes Israel vulnerable on multiple fronts now. Indian Americans targeted. Hate campaigns rise online against Indian executives in the US firms. FedEx, Walmart, and Verizon, they face harassment for hiring Indians. Social media amplifies backlash fueled by visa policy change. The potential and social storm affects the companies and communities alike. H-1B visa backlash. Indian nationals dominate the H-1B holders, now caught in political fire. Right-wing groups, they frame them as a threat to the US jobs. Social media harassment turns professional hiring into controversies. Well, companies must navigate policies and safety simultaneously. Hormuz trap emerging. The Strait of Hormuz becomes a high-risk flashpoint. Iran's geography gives it a strategic leverage despite the military imbalance. Speedboats and missiles could disrupt the global oil shipments. Any miscalculation, it threatens world market instantly. US-Iran power gap. Numbers favor the United States in conventional terms, but geography favors Iran here. Missiles, bases, and willingness to fight balance the military calculation here. Strength alone does not guarantee quick victory. Well, the region's volatility is amplified by strategy and stakes. Escalation could spread. Strike misstep may ignite a regional war across border. Allies, civilians, and markets are all at risk. Even a limited confrontation could ripple globally. Careful strategy is very important to avoid any catastrophe. The world watches. Empty skies. One Chinese jet and the US warning signals tension here. Allies reposition, trade route freeze, and military alerts escalate. History shows us that wars begin quietly before exploding into view. The Middle East holds its breath as every second counts. And with that, that's a wrap up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From Venezuela to Iran, from the United States to Israel, the world is changing and so is geopolitics. But don't you worry. Me, Pridya 3 on Times XB is here to give you all the latest updates that matters the most.